Hello, so I'm Nick Lawrence, I'm the co-founder of Kaptivo, and I'm going to talk to you today about what happens when all the display boards go down in an airport. It leads to chaos. We've seen it several times recently here in the UK, and here at Kaptivo we have a product which is the perfect backup system for this situation. So the humble whiteboard is the go-to product of anyone who needs to display information. It's completely reliable. And this here is our Kaptivo camera, which captures the whiteboard in real time and displays it. And we have another box which sends the information to any HDMI display. So here we just have a normal monitor showing a live view of what we have on the board. So if all your flight information systems go down, like they did in Heathrow or Gatwick, then you can have a whiteboard in your control room. You can update flight status just behind your desk in real time, like I'm going to do now. And then within 5 seconds, the information is relayed to all the monitors anywhere in the airport in real time. So you have a high quality backup system for when your plan A doesn't work anymore. This is brought to you by Kaptivo, a company based in Cambridge in the UK.